In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new Word document in Outlook on Microsoft 365. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're just getting started with Outlook and you wish to create a new Word document, it's pretty simple. There are quite a number of ways to do this. First, if you go to this app launcher and click on it, you will be able to see all the apps that you can use in Outlook. One of them is Word. To get started, just go ahead and click on Word to open it. Alternatively, you can find Word down here by just clicking on this, and you'll see we have Word document here. On the other side, we have an option for more apps here. If you click on this, you should get more apps. But the most straightforward way to launch Word document is by using this shortcut. Word document is here, and you can just go ahead and click on it to launch your new Word document. So from here, go ahead and click on OK to launch your Word document if you are doing it for the first time, and you'll be taken to this account where you can create a blank document, or if you had created any, you should be able to see it under My Documents. Because we are creating a new Word document, I'll go ahead and click on Create a blank document, or you can also upload one, and this will open a blank Word document. It's important to give your document a name, and you can simply do this by just editing this document text. So now you can begin your typing and editing your documents, or copy and paste any information that you wish here. So that's how you can create a new Word document in Microsoft Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.